This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a pumpkin pie from scratch step by step. Preheat oven to 425 degrees F and prepare your crust. Start by simmering pure pumpkin until smooth, then whisk in brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Temper eggs with warm cream, pour into the crust, and reduce oven to bake gently. I'll walk you through timing and texture tips so your pie sets perfectly. Whisking the filling is where the magic happens, and I'll keep it simple and friendly. Combine pureed pumpkin with brown sugar, warm spices, and a little salt, then add heavy cream and eggs one at a time. Tempering the eggs prevents lumps and keeps the custard silky. I'll share texture cues and tasting tips so you know when to stop whisking and when the filling is oven-ready for a perfect set. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple baking tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so try Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for lasting comfort while you bake. I find them perfect for long kitchen sessions and chilly mornings, and you can find a link and deals in the description. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Baking pumpkin pie needs patience and tiny adjustments, and I'll guide you step by step. Start hot for the first 15 minutes to seal the crust, then lower the oven so the center cooks without cracking. Use a gentle jiggle test and small knife to check doneness, then cool the pie slowly to avoid sinking. I'll also cover best ways to store and rewarm slices for peak flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.